세상이, 세상이. And this is a Korean term for world. Again, 세상이 means world. Next word is 누구. Again, it's 누구. And this is used to ask who, or if you wanted to ask about a person. Again, 누구 means who. Next word is 할아버지. Again, it's 할아버지. This is used to say grandpa in Korean. Again, 할아버지 is grandfather. Next word is 할머니. Again, it's 할머니. This is used to say grandma or grandmother in Korean. Again, 할머니 is grandma. Next word is 남편. Again, it's 남편. And this is the Korean term for husband. Again, 남편 means husband. Next word is 아내. Again, 아내. And this is a Korean term for wife. Again, 아내 means wife. Next word is 부모. Again, it's 부모. And this is the Korean noun which means parents. But if you wanted to address your parents, you can use 부모님. Again, 부모 means parents. Next word is 딸. Again, 딸. And this is the Korean term for daughter. Again, 딸 is the Korean term for daughter. Next word is 아들. Again, it's 아들. And this is a Korean term for son. Again, 아들 is used to say son in Korean. Next word is 손자. Again, 손자. And this is a Korean term for grandchild. Again, 손자 means grandchild.